Hello everyone, welcome to Google Form Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we optimize our Google Form as per the add-ons. So we have added this add-on that is called the Form Timer add-on into our Google Form, but this is throwing some errors, and the error is that we have used one question, the file upload question, so that is giving us the error in the form timer. So for any add-on that we are adding through the Google Forms, if the questions or the form is conflicting with any of the rules, then we will be getting this kind of an error, as you can see on the right side of the screen. So what is the solution? That is also shown over here. Like, we can use a Dropbox file to put the link in the question header where the students can go and just upload their documents, or just add a text question. But what I'm going to do is, instead of going for these two options, I'm just going to remove this file upload question because that is not needed. Okay, so this was my file upload question. I go to this question here and simply just delete this question. Okay, so it is deleted. Let me just reload my form. Right, now if I just scroll down, okay, now that question is gone, let's just click on this puzzle icon to add the add-ons. Click on timer for Google Forms, open. This will open up the form timer dialog box and it will take a few seconds to load. Now we can just select everything, click on preview. This will basically open up a preview for us to see that how the timer is going to work. So let's just provide a name, click on start, and now you can see the form is loaded. We are getting a timer on the top, like it is right now at 9 minutes. The total time was 10 minutes, so now it is at 9 minutes. We can just provide our details, like some sample information. Choose one option, choose two options, choose a list, some random text, date of birth, again some random date, preferred time 11:02, rating should be the best, two random selections, again two random selections, click on next. And this is actually a very important thing, especially when you are working with a timer form. So what happens in the timer form is a fingerprint or a unique identification is assigned to every response, because each response is recorded in a different manner along with the time that you have taken to complete that particular submission, right? So this is a fingerprint that's given to you and you are instructed not to edit it. So whenever you are responding to any of the timer forms, don't respond to these, don't edit this fingerprint, and simply just click on submit. So once you have submitted it, we have this view score option, so you'll be getting this. So totally we have scored 5 points. Okay, so basically you can just see your marks. But what is interesting over here is, if you just go to responses and go to this spreadsheet, view responses in the spreadsheet option, then what will happen, here you can see that this option, as soon as I entered this timer, so the respondent name that was recorded in the beginning, that's also stored, and form timer response is also stored. That is how much time the person took to complete this form or to submit this form. So this is a new field actually that gets over here, and the fingerprint field also gets over here. That is what is the unique fingerprint for that particular respondent. If I again go to this form, suppose I just close this form, again go to preview, then what happens is my form will open, but this time the fingerprint will change. So it is loading right now. Let me just enter some name, click on start, and here you can see the fingerprint has now changed, because this is a different form, different respondent who is responding to this form. Doesn't matter if your email ID is same, doesn't matter if you're responding from the same account, from the same PC, but for each response your fingerprint will change. So that's it about the form responses add-ons, that is the timer form. Thanks for watching the video.